Cuckoo Marans is a breed of domestic chicken from the port town of Maran in southwestern France. They were developed in the mid-1800s from the local feral chickens, descended from fighting game chickens brought to France from Indonesia and India. The breed made their way to England in the early 1900s and quickly became very popular for their rich, dark brown eggs. Cuckoo Marans were first exhibited in 1929 in Paris by the Poultry Breeders' Society of France, and since then have become popular around the world. They were imported into the United States in the 2000s. Cuckoo Marans have orange eyes and a single comb. Their plumage resembles that of the Plymouth barred rock, with its dark feathers barred with irregular dark and light slate-colored bars. Roosters tend to be lighter in color than hens. The legs are pink, and the soles of the feet should always be white, as Marans have white skin, not yellow. Although the original Marans could be feather-legged birds, British breeders preferred the clean-legged version, and today Cuckoo Marans are clean-legged. Cuckoo Marans will lay 200 or more deep chocolate brown eggs per year, though some eggs may have speckled dark pigments on the shell. The brown egg color may vary in darkness as the hens go through their laying cycle. Cuckoo Marans will go broody and make good mothers. The chicks are mostly black and gray with a slight yellowing to the underbelly. On average, mature roosters weigh about 8 pounds, and mature hens weigh about 6 pounds. Cuckoo Marans do well in confinement, although they prefer the outdoors and are excellent foragers and well suited to free-range and pasture-based systems. They are winter hardy with a docile temperament. Cuckoo Marans are historically a dual-purpose bird, prized not only for their dark eggs, but for their carcass qualities as well. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever a new video is posted.